Welcome to another exciting educational video brought to you by Upvision Concepts Academy. So today we'll be looking at biology and excretion is the topic. We'll see key definition and terms and concepts. What is excretion? Excretory product in humans, major excretory organs in humans, excretion in plants, and important experiment to demonstrate excretion. Okay, so sit tight and enjoy this video. If you'd like to subscribe, kindly subscribe to our channel to enjoy more on the stems. We'll dive in. So what is excretion? Excretion is the biological process by which living organisms remove waste products of metabolism, especially nitrogenous waste from the body. So, nitrogenous waste in the body is harmful, so the body has a way of removing it. These are byproducts of the foods or metabolic processes that the body has gone through. So when the process is completed, the waste products cannot remain in the body. The body is structured in a way to eject these substances known as waste products. The process of removing this waste process through biological means is excretion. Note, excretion is not equal to egestion. So what is the difference? What is the difference? Excretion removes metabolic waste, while egestion removes undigested food through the anus. So you see, very interesting difference. Okay, I can put it down. This one removes metabolic waste. Metabolic waste. Right? So example is urea and carbon dioxide. Why this one removes undigested foods. Undigested foods, okay, through the anus. So this is just the difference, so we know. So we have a table to discuss or to display the excretory waste in human beings. Okay, so in humans, we are looking at the waste products, the source, and the organs of excretion, where it's coming out from. Okay, so this urea is a waste, and where it is coming from is the liver from amino acid. So the byproduct of amino acids, the waste product is actually urea, but the organ where it's excreted from, or that processes the excretion, is the kidney. That's where the excretion is processed. Okay, so carbon dioxide, the source is from respiratory cells, all the cells that carry out respiration processes. So what they give out is carbon dioxide, and the lungs is where the excretion is processed. Okay, so water is another waste product that can come from respiration. You see vapor, droplets of water, digestion again through urine. So it can be processed to be excreted out from the skin and the kidneys and the lungs. And finally, we have salt. Salt is another waste product that the source is from food metabolism, but the organ of excretion is kidney and the sweat glands. That is, you sweat it out. Okay, so for the major excretory organs, the kidney is remove urea, like as we said, it's like I said, it removes urea and excess water. So that's what it does. It removes urea and excess water and salt from the blood to form urine. Okay, so urine is now the product that now comes out that contains this urea, water, and salt. Understand? Now the lungs also removes carbon dioxide and water vapor. The skin removes or secretes sweat. Sweat is a combination of water, salt, and urea. Liver is not mentioned here, but I'll mention it as a major organ of excretion. It converts ammonia into urea in the process known as deamination. Spell it on the board. Deamination. Okay, so that is for liver. Large intestine expels bile pigments from the breakdown of hemoglobin. So for plants, we'll look at plants. So excretion in plants. So plants really don't have any special excretory organs. Waste products can be moved. Waste products in plants can be removed through number one, stomata. Stomata is just that small, tiny holes in the leaf of the plant, and what comes out there is carbon dioxide and oxygen. Stomata is where that waste product goes out. Lenticels in stems can also be where waste products can come out from. Leaf fall, remove chemicals. So when the leaf fall off, some chemicals are removed through the dead leaves. Removes waste chemicals. Yes, remove waste chemicals. Okay, another process or another part is storage at back. Storage at or in back. Back is just that thick part of the outer part of the stem of a tree or of a wood plant. Dead tissues come out from that part. Okay. Okay, so here I have a memory hack and mnemonics for knowing the organs that are used for excretion. So just a simple LKLS. So the excretory organs are lungs, kidneys, liver, and the skin. So you know the lungs take out carbon dioxide, the kidneys take out urea, excess water and salt, the liver converts ammonia to urea for excretion, and the skin also excretes sweat, combination of water, salt, and urea. Okay, so just take note of this mnemonic so that you can remember the organs, excretory organs for human beings. Okay, so if we want to also remember the functions of kidney, there is another memory hack or mnemonics for the functions of kidney. The first function of kidney is filtration, so it does filtration, that's F. And the second function of kidney is ultrafilter blood, U. And the third function of kidney, R, is reabsorption of useful substance. So, you know, when you are told to outline different points and functions, like for example, function of kidney, you can just use this to, quickly get it out on paper. Filtration, ultrafilter of blood, and reabsorption of useful substance. Okay, so on the board we have the diagram to show the human excretory system. So it consists of the kidney, the left and the right kidney, and these are two vessels. The veins behind, this is the renal vein. The renal vein, you have the left side and the right side is the renal vein. and this is the artery, the right renal artery and the left renal artery. So this is the bladder where the urine is collected. Then the renal vein is where the exits of the kidneys at the ileum, joining the inferior vena cava. So the function of the renal vein is to drain, filter deoxygenated blood from the kidney. So the renal vein drains the oxygenated blood from the kidney, and the arteries is the one that supplies. So the renal artery branch from the abdominal aorta, entering the kidney at the ileum. So function is to supply oxygenated. So anything, even when we talk about the heart, anything has to do with artery, it brings in oxygenated, understand? And the renal vein, the vein takes out deoxygenated. So this one, let me put this spelling on the board. This one is oxygenated. So it brings it in. Why this one takes it out, deoxygenated. Okay, so that's what it does. So this is where the 4 is carried out. That's the filtration, ultrafiltration, and the reabsorption happens inside the kidney. So I also want you to study the skin. The skin is also another part, is another excretory organ. Know the layers of the skin, know how to draw and label it. So I hope this video has been for you. I'd like to thank you for viewing.